What's up, everybody? It's Big Rob TV, and before we get into round 15 of the Jordan versus LeBron Sneaker Battle, I gotta make something right. I gotta make something right here, okay? I chose in the last video to go grab a shoe, a colorway of a shoe that I felt would make everyone happy with the Jordan 15. I chose the DMP Jordan 14 instead of the original pick that I was going to pick, which is where I was leading to the Jordan 14 winning. But holding that DMP in hand versus that particular LeBron made me feel as if the DMP was not as attractive as I thought it would be. Alright? And I've said all along that these battles are not about the colorways and they are about the silhouettes. But that particular colorway swayed that decision in round 14. So I'm here right now to make this correct. There would be no way that the LeBron 14 would beat this shoe. Now I know that this is a Jordan 14 low, but this is my favorite Jordan 14, and I should have grabbed the next three, this one and the next two pairs of shoes that I'm going to show you for that battle. So this is the Jordan 14 low in that Laney colorway. Whew, love this one. Love this one. Alright. Now, put that to the side. And then we bring out this one. Oh, Wu-Tang Killer Bees, we on the swarm. Wu-Tang Killer Bees, we on the swarm. That black and yellow. Whoo. Woo. That black and yellow Jordan 14, hard. Alright. We put these away. We bring out the original pick that I was going to use for the Jordan 14 battle. Wolf Grays. Wolf Gray 14s. Alright. With that being said, right now we have the series tied 7-7. According to the last video, I'm going back on my pick. Boom. Jordan 14 wins round 14. Okay? The Jordan 14 wins round 14. I am correcting a mistake. The Jordan 14 is the winner. Alright? Now, that means the series is Jordan is up 8-6. Okay? Jordan is up 8-6. So I just wanted to go back and make the right call on the round 14. Alright? Now let's get into round 15. some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you. What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with round 15 of the Jordan versus LeBron Sneaker Battle. Alright, now, a little bit of controversy for round 14. Hopefully, I have corrected things and the score reflects appropriately. That had been weighing on my mind for the last week, and I just kind of felt that wasn't right, so I needed to make the correct call on that one. Alright, but let's bring in the first contestant for round 15. Boom. Jordan 15. Alright, Jordan 15. Now, let's not sugarcoat this. Let's not hide it. This is not one of the prettiest Jordans. As it relates through 1 through 15, this is not the prettiest of the Jordans. This is most people's least favorite Jordan. But I dig them. I dig them. I have this pair, and I do have the Dornbecker 15s. Alright. There was a Carolina blue one that was like white and Carolina blue. That was the first one that I can remember seeing as a kid. I was 15 years old when the Jordan 15s came out. Every year that the Jordans changed numbers, that's the age that I am. So we're going on Jordan 35 this year. I'm turning 35 in a matter of weeks. So, you know, I remember these as a teenager when these came out, and I always thought they were cool. I just, you know, I wasn't really into shoes back then. I just, you know, it wasn't my thing. But yeah, I think they're cool. I think they are pretty comfortable once you get them on feet as well. But I'm not going to lie to you and say that these are amazing and these are the most prettiest Jordans. These are great looking. They're not. They're not. But I do like these. I do like this white and obsidian pair for sure. On the inside, boom, you got a little Jumpman in the 15 there. I like this material up top, that woven material there. Kind of a New York Yankees colorway. If you see the stripes here, kind of a Yankees colorway. 23, 6, and 15. I'm assuming that is his number of championships, and the number shoe. Alright? Oh yeah, there's Jumpman on the toe box there. Alright? Now let's bring in the challenger. Boom. LeBron 15. Alright? Now, as I said last week, the LeBron 14 was a step in the right direction. It was the comeback after the disaster that was the LeBron 13. But this one, the 15, we back. We back right here with the 15. We all the way back. The 14 was starting to come back, but the 15, we back. There was no doubt about it. I love the LeBron 15. Woo, woo. Looking at it now, I'm like, I'm loving this more. My only complaint with the LeBron 15s is that I couldn't get more of them. Some of the ones that I really, really liked, they were so hyped and they just sold out and I could not get them. I just couldn't get them, and I don't want to pay the resale price for them. You have your 15 here on the front, right there. And then you have your BBZ for Bronny, Bryce, and Zuri on the back, his kids. There's a king's crown there on the back. and the LeBron James signature here. That Nike, this is the Hardwood Classic LeBron 15. That Nike going around. Oh, the blue, there's some black mixed in there. Whew. Woo. And then you got your swoosh kind of hidden on the back there. Man. Look at that bottom, mostly white. I've worn these, so they're not gonna be crispy. That white, you got your orange hits coming through there. If you see through the clear pods, you got some orange going through there as well. Man, very dope shoe. On the insole, you have your 15 as well. And it's your Hardwood Classic information. If I can get that open. It's a lot of orange going on in there. Some information for you. I mentioned the King's Crown. The Lion King on the bottom. And then there's a blue swoosh there. Speckled midsole along that white. Very dope shoe. And then I forgot to say that on the right, it's the 330 representing his hometown. You got your 330. Oh! I just noticed. This is the first time I've had this shoe for like 3 years. I just noticed there's a Dunk Man. There's a Dunk Man here on the back. I just now noticed that. Let's get that out of here. Man, I never saw that before. So, round 15. Round 15. That's what you all want to know. That's why you all are here. You all want to know, Ralph, who is going to win round 15? Will it be the Jordan or will it be the LeBron? Look, folks, I'm not going to drag this one out. The winner of round 15 is the LeBron 15. No need for shenanigans on this one. Easy win. Easy win. LeBron 15 is the winner of round 15. Alright? Now, with the corrected score from earlier today, based off of correcting last week's mistake, the appropriate score now is Jordan 8, LeBron 7 after 15 rounds. Alright? So that's the correct score. That's what we're rolling with heading into week 16 next week. Alright? So just a dope shoe, man. Everything about the LeBron 15. I'm gonna try to go back and see if I can get some more of these 15s because these are just too sweet that I just might have to pay a little bit extra than what I'm comfortable with right now because, man, I want those Griffies. The Griffey 15s, I want them. There's some diamond turf looking 15. Oh, I want them. I want them. I'm gonna have to get them. I might have to spend a little bit. But anyway, man, that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. What do you all think, man? What is your thoughts on round 15? Do you agree with the call? Do you think that I should have gone with the Jordan 15? Are you outraged? Let me know in the comments. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate that. We are on the chase, the hunt, the march, the climb towards 3K. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Big Rough 3K is the goal by the end of 2020. All right, so let's get there. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.